It gotta be why not. Call him baby boy cause he got put in a headlock, whipping that bowl. Heavy your thought in the, what you say?
Red dot, yeah.
Brand new strap, they dead stop. Talk to a bit like Red Fire. I spent the 2 on the factory where I thought a with no money said something.
Yeah. It's a body of work.
Ooh. Two and a half, 3 years to finish it.
But we was already working.
I say the Juice WRLD record took a long time, like, on the production side, because I got, like, violins and over the beat, you know what I'm saying, just to get that real good soulful moment. We need someone to play the drums. We'll put up a sign. Migos is looking for another group. That's the TV show. You got what it takes to be the 4th Migo. Avalanche. Papa was a Rolling Stone, but now I got Rolling Stones in the bezel.
Ice.
Now I'm at home all alone, hustling, trying to keep it together.
Huh?
Yeah.
Had that in the stash box, just waiting, just, you know what I mean? You gotta marinate the chicken sometimes. You can't just throw it in the pot. Marinate that. Marinate.
Yeah, who that is, boy? That's somebody know their music, my boy. Yeah, that's the Nutcracker. My boy Buddha, man. Shout out that boy Buddha, man. He's an incredible producer. That's the Nutcracker. So when Christmas comes, we're gonna do another version. You know what I'm saying? Pop out. What's up?
What's up?
They Santa Claus is coming. Yeah, man.
Santa!